Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review on a bumper I bought from Amazon. It's paint to match. So here's the bumper. This is how they packed it. And it's for my Honda Civic here, 2009. So here's the bumper. So just a heads up, this bumper is covered in this white powder. I guess it's to prevent it from getting scratched. So here's the bumper. All of these are just easily wiped off. Let's see if I can get a better angle. The color is really nice. It looks like it's gonna match. But then I'm kind of having doubts on, it unfolding to its original shape. But they just said give it like an hour or two sitting direct sunlight. I do see people use a heat gun on it, so I'll just leave it here out in the sun, see if it's gonna unfold. So yeah, here I was trying to do a time lapse of the bumper unfolding, but the battery on my camera died halfway in. So the sun went down and it looks pretty good. Probably gonna leave it out longer tomorrow, and yeah. But then when I brought it to the backyard, I confirmed that the color does match. It's a little bit light, but overall, yeah, it's really nice. So I'm gonna wipe it down and see if there's any scratches. So here's the bumper from MBI. After sitting like another day outside, this is the day after, it retains its shape. It looks really good. There's no scratches or dent or chip. They packed it really well. I'm going to test fit it and see if the color match and see how the fitting is. Here's the bumper on the car. I couldn't find the bolt, so I just clipped it on. For the color, it's 100% match. I thought it would be like a little lighter since it's really new, but it's actually spot on. And yeah, all the clips match up, the holes and everything. Here's the bumper installed. Fits really well. The color, it's a perfect match. Yeah, I like it. The only thing I don't like as much is that it gets scratched quite easy. I set it on the floor, and I don't know if you guys could pick up all right there. Right here too. There's a bunch of it behind this license plate holder.